Hello everyone, welcome to Flexible Electronics class. Today is lecture 0, which means today we are not going to cover any course material, but to get familiar with the course and of course introduce ourselves to each other. So I would go to my introduction first. My name is Shaukat Ali. I will be your instructor for this course throughout this semester. This is my office address. You can visit me in these counseling hours, like Tuesday 2 to 4 p.m., Thursday 4 to 6 p.m. You can discuss with me your queries about the course and other related problems. I would welcome you in these 2 days for the counseling. Okay, so now we will go through the course introduction. So here is the outline of my today's lecture. I would go through introduction and motivation of the course. Then we would go to the course organization, a course outline, what are the topics and content that we will be covering in this course. Of course, for the material, you have to follow some books and reference books to cover the course material. Then we will go to the policies, some of the policies that we will be following throughout this course, and some course evaluation where you can see your marks distribution and percentage. So goals of the course, what you expect from this course and what I expect students to learn from this course. So after this course, a student will be able to understand all the basics of the flexible electronics. Like we will be covering flexible electronics. So of course, we would start from the device physics, different fabrication processes of the device, device characterization. When you fabricate a device, then you have to test it and confirm its performance. Then the device encapsulation and packaging. And then at the end, of course, we will be discussing latest trends in the flexible electronics. So students who want to do their research in this particular research area, they can know what is the state of the art and where the research and studies lies. So here is the course outline. In the course, we would start from introduction to flexible electronics, as this is a new branch of the electronics. Of course, many of the students, they will be listening and reading flexible electronics for the first time. Then we would go to the technology, which technologies we are going to cover in this course. So of course, this is few of them, like thin film transistor, organic electrochemical transistor, electrochemical sensors, solar cells, energy conversion, display and lighting, OLED and RFID, etc. These are the technologies, and then we are going to see how we can prepare material and substrates to fabricate the devices. So processing steps will be going through substrate selection, treatment, and material preparation. After we learn about the processing, we would go for the fabrication techniques. So for fabrication of the flexible electronics, we have a variety of techniques like inkjet, aerosol, screen printing, etc. The aim of these technologies is to deposit the material precisely on the target substrate so we can make some kind of devices, circuits, and thin films. Then we will be studying about materials. So in this course, we will be focusing on organic and inorganic materials. After this, we can test the device. So device testing is in this technical language, we call it characterization. So characterization of the device includes electrical, chemical, mechanical, optical, and endurance tests. So we will be going through all these characterization in detail and in sequence. At the end of the course, we will be discussing state of the art. So the students who want to continue their research in this particular branch of electronic engineering, they can know the current state of this technology, and they can contribute their research, and they can learn more about this special technology. Of course, when you want to cover these topics, I know not all of the students are familiar with flexible electronics. Their background is in the electronics, electrical engineering, but still this topic would be new for some of the students. So here are 3 textbooks. You can read them. And of course, there are some reference books. If you find a topic or material difficult in textbooks, you can consult with the reference books and you can learn accordingly. So these books would be enough for this course. Now we will be discussing some policies related to the course. In this course, I will be taking 8 to 10 quizzes. 2 of them would be ungraded. It is unlikely to have a makeup quiz. So if you have a valid reason to miss the test, then it's okay. We can take a makeup and arrange for a makeup test, but you have to inform me before the test, not after the test. And if you fail to produce a valid reason, then you will get 0 in this test. Okay, homework. There will be 8 homeworks, assignments. And at the end of each topic, like in the outline, I showed some main topics, and we will be breaking them in subtopics. At the end of each topic, there will be a homework assignment, and you will have 1 week to complete the course. Late homework will not be accepted. Homework should be written clear. And of course, you are not supposed to copy the work. It should be your original work. Students are welcome all the time to get help from the instructor in the given counseling hours. Here are some tentative mark distribution. So of course we can change it later on, but for this time it is like this. We will have assignments with 10%, quizzes 10%. Of course we will have a mid-exam 25%. There would be some project presentation, or maybe you will be writing a conference paper. That is 5%, and final exam would be 50%. In total, it is 100 marks, and this is the distribution of the marks. So that's it for today. Today it was just the introduction and course introduction. If you have any questions, you are welcome to ask. Thank you so much.